Uh-oh. Get the shoe. Get the shoe. Get that one, Bruce. Can you get this one? You can't get that one. Go get Daddy's other shoe. Put your foot in it. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Come on, Bruce. Come here. Come here, Bruce. Yay! You wear Daddy's shoes? Are you a big boy? Yeah, Bruce. Oh, you got big feet. Hi. Yay! Go, Brucey. Gee, Bruce, your feet are so big. You want to be like Daddy?
You know what? It's even worse. They want to check in April 22nd and leave June 23rd. So we can't do it.
Why? Oh.
We need to take
They want 2 months?
Yeah. That sucks.
Well, they can take it April 26th.
I know it.
Okay?
I'll call them right now, okay?
Yeah. We'll go somewhere else. We didn't book our tickets yet.
I know.
Where's Doo-Doo?
Doo-Doo.
Where's Doo-Doo? Doo-Doo's outside. Let's see where Doo-Doo is. Hey, Doo-Doo. There's your doggy. There's Doo-Doo.
Quiet. Oh, hey there.